Okay, well, I started taking this fence down. I need to build another one to isolate the yard from where the foundation guy is going to be working. So I got to take this last brace down and build another one. Probably shouldn't have the glass table sitting right next to where we're working. So I gotta build a fence that goes out to about here. This board is rotted out and bad. Let me walk around with my underwear. Yeah, I want to keep the hex up there. Well, I want to nail it into a beam. The beams are 2 feet on center. So that's the edge. Here, how thick are they? They're 1 3/4. So the question is that far enough away? I don't think it is. If I put it here, I don't think that's going to. No. Wait a second. He's got to move. No, I need to make it further out. So they have a room. If I put it here, I can't see them having enough room. They're going to be going. Because this is going in, it needs to be a little shorter. This is my scientific measurement of where this is going to go. You're never going to get anything as accurate as that when it comes to measurement. So just remember, the hand on the stomach, that's how you make the most accurate measurements. Not only in this kind of work, but any measurement at all. Right there. No, that's not good. Well, there you go. A little higher than I wanted. Let's see how I do. Nope. I wish this was lower, but it really doesn't matter. On the other hand, see how I magically make it stay up there? No nails, no nothing. It's the will of my mind. I can control matter with my thoughts. That's what it is. I need one stinking nail. Nails. I need the hammer. That's going to cause a problem in that day. Therefore, it behooves me. Okay, where's the friggin' mark? Now I can't see the mark. Well, that ain't square either. Neither side is square. Did I cut this wrong? No, I did. Now why is this that much knife? why it's a good thing to do that. Nail doesn't want to go through the wood. And I got a bad drill bit. I suppose there's a better way of doing this, but I need to do it. That's for sure. The wood is so hard there, I don't know why. The nails don't want to go through. This is a nice piece of wood. I'm going to save this for the actual construction. I do this one. This goes here. This goes here. And I need 3 more this size. Screwed myself over. By making this so tall. This whole board. So 3.5 feet, 3 feet 6 inches, right here. And I'm not going to use an extra $20 in wood, just because of that mistake. I got cut. Can't get under the nail to pull it up. All I need is for one of these to pull up. Son of a... See that? How it's not level? I'm going to leave it like that. I can feel how hard it is to drive this stuff. Drive the nails through the stuff. See that? Nail doesn't want to go. Now I got a nail gun and I chose not to use it. Yeah, correct. This board isn't cut, is it? Right. Oh, that's nice. So I gotta start cleaning up. I'm just gonna cut off this rough part. Well, that's all the cutting I'm doing for now. For the previous thing. But I don't need them tied together anymore. And there we go. Come on. That's one. That's two. Is that everything? Yeah. Okay, I'm sweating, so I need to finish this up so I can get out of the sun. When I was taking this apart, I missed this nail. Well, that's it. Well, I thought that wasn't going to happen, and yet it did.